Right. That's different.
It's the 15th Doctor, everyone. It's got a bit. Definitely solid. It's still getting used to his new body. 15th Doctor. Anything else? What else?
I forgot.
Yeah. Remember the 5th of November.
Batteries and a balloon.
4 days into bonfire night. Just be careful though, because my sorry, don't open on me. Because someone got hit by a firework last year. Yes, straight in the stomach.
Oof.
And then on the wrist. All because it hit something and it flew back down. Was that you by any chance?
Nope. Oh, I don't know.
Well, previous year anyway. So anyway, he's going to talk a bit about bonfire night.
Don't swallow a firework. Might get a heartburn.
Definitely getting used to his new body, yes.
Yes.
Sonic.
That's me. Mine. Anyway. Bubbles. Right. Anyway. Sorry.
So that does have to be done.
Yes.
Talk about looking at my question. 17 days, if I'm correct. Not fully sure, but 16 to 17 days. But children in need. Yes. I haven't forgot, because if you go onto my page, Doctor and Torchwood, the picture actually has Pudsey in it. Yes. Every little helps, so just send in £5 to children in need to help people who need it.
Also, any Terry Wogan fans, he'll be on there as well.
Doctor Who will be as well. We're going to see a preview of the Christmas special.
Yeah.
Anyway, bonfire night, most hazardous time of year.
Yep.
Also, for some people, the 4th of June, is it? Or is it July? Because some people have different times of the year. Some are in the 4th, and some are in the 5th.
Oh, the 4th of July is the Independence of America. Yeah.
Katy Perry. And you hear the song Firework. God, you really have a new body, don't you?
Yep. Completely rock around the clock.
Sorry. Anyway, did you ever get Churchill anyway? From last time? Well, if you remember. Because remember, in your last generation you had to go get Churchill.
I can't remember because I went straight into a war, knocked myself out, and I didn't do this. Don't know why.
Actually, that was me, yeah. Shot you.
Thank you. I hate the old stuff anyway.
Yeah. Something suits you better anyway.
Yes. No, I got rid of the very heavy trench coat.
Well, it's not only for now. It will be only in some episodes, but not all.
Yes.
Hello, Amy. Yes. I know you've been watching this, because every time I do a vlog, you ask for the link, so ha. I see. And you hadn't asked me that yet, but there it is, see? Yeah. Tell them. Yes, the link to my page is down there. Oh, what's on there?
That's down there.
Stairs. Anyway, do you think it would be better being Twiddly Pooping?
Yeah,
It's on the wrong setting you popped up. You need to sort out your brain, because last time you did this, you ended up on Pluto again.
Oh yeah, press 2 random buttons and ends with Pluto.
Yes.
No.
You just gave a bit the script, you plonker. You just gave away a quote from episode 6. Of you, Louise. Yes, you.
Yes.
There you go, it's on the last setting now. Yes. So, 2 last things. One is be careful on bonfire night, and the second, support children in need. Hello!